Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to share your wish list on Shein. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Shein application on your device. And once you open it up, log into your account if you haven't done so already using your email address and your password. Once you are logged in, you will be taken into the shop menu from which you can directly start shopping for various items. Now, when you come across some items that you are interested in, you can simply click on the heart icon at the bottom left corner and this will be added onto your wish list. When you have enough items on your wish list that you want to share with someone, then click on the me icon at the bottom right corner and then you will see your wish list section. Click on the view all button at the right side and now you will see all of the items that you have added onto your wish list. There is no direct option to share your wish list. However, you can add your wish list items in a board and then share the board. Click on the boards option at the right side and now click on create a new board in order to add your wish list items. You can name the board whatever you wish and then you can select the items that you want to add to this board. After choosing your items, click on the add to board option and now your board will be created right away. Once your board has been created, you can simply click on the share icon at the right side of your board and you will find the copy link option. You can simply click on this and then share this link with anyone who you wish to share your wish list with. You can also use the WhatsApp, Facebook as well as other application buttons to directly share from these apps. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to share your wish list from Shein. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.